Close your eyes, get some rest. I'm by your side. Lay your head on my chest. I know you've had a really bad day.
Hi everyone, happy Friday. I hope you're all well and in good health. This beautiful planter is from Home Sense and we are doing something for spring for my window sill in kitchen.
Okay, the sun could go out, we're gonna be okay. If all the blue skies fade to gray, we're gonna be okay. Calm your soul, hold my hand, don't let go. I understand. I know it hurts, it wasn't fair. It's over now, so don't despair. The world could fall down, it's gonna be okay. The sun could go out, we're gonna be okay. If all the blue skies fade to gray, we're gonna be okay.
Planter is done. Now we are dealing with this suspension rod and two beautiful garlands to create a really beautiful looking spring window decor.
The world could fall down, it's gonna be okay. The sun could go out, we're gonna be okay. If all the blue skies fade to gray, we're gonna be okay. The world could fall down, it's gonna be okay. The sun could go out, we're gonna be okay. If all the blue skies fade to
These paper mache egg holders or eggs are from Hobbycraft and I'm going to be painting them inside white and outside in my favorite color. These little chicks are from the Rain store. So is this, and these ones are dry, color coordinating perfectly with the rest of the items. Some more DIY, then I'm going to show you the reveal. I've got my glue gun and I've got my coffee. Let's begin.
Get the chance to meet someone before you get to meet someone like you. How many songs can you write about heartbreak? How to go when you're fed up with mistakes? Maybe I just found the answers. Maybe I just found the answers in you. Come give me all your love. I want you to know we can make it together. Let the wind blow. All we need is each other. Come take my hand, you're all that I have now.
This video is part of a collab called Bunnies Hopping Around the World and is hosted by lovely Janny and Dyanne from Netherlands. Link to the playlist going to be in my description box below. After watching this video, please go to my description box and watch all the other participants because it's going to be jam-packed full of spring inspiration for you. Thank you so much, ladies. I really had fun participating in this close collab again. And here is the reveal. You have to come back to see the full tour next week, but this is how my window is looking.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are? What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's gray outside? It really makes me wonder.